Hello, good morning, dear students. So, still we are in the same chapter, that is naming angles. So, today, once again, we are going to learn about how to name the angles. So, here I brought some questions for you. So, students, your question is name the marked angles formed in the following figure. So, students, in question number A, here is a figure, and from this figure you are supposed to name the marked angle, only marked angle. So students, if you see the figure, you can see many angles here, but you are only supposed to name the marked one angle, not all. You have to name the marked angle only. So students, if you see this figure, here you can see the angle has been marked with black color. So you have to name this angle. You can see angle here too, but according to the question, you are not supposed to name this angle. You have to only name marked angle, this angle. सो विद्यार्थीहरू क्वेसनले हजुरहरूलाई जुन एङ्गल मार्क गरिएको छ त्यो एङ्गलको नेम लेख्न भनेको छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, लेट्स सी. एन्ड स्टुडेन्ट्स, you can simply hide this arm for a minute to understand very carefully. If you see this marked angle has been formed with the help of two arms, that is your AB arm and BD arm. Your one arm is AB and another arm is BD. With the help of two arm AB and BD, this angle has been formed. So students, let's write its name. As I have already told you, while naming the angle, always you have to use the symbol of angle. This is your symbol of angle. Now you are supposed to name all the letters in capital, and the very important thing is that the vertex must lies in the middle. So students, as you can see, vertex is the meeting point of the two arms. So you can see AB and BD, they have met at point B. So here vertex is your B. So vertex B must lies in middle. It means either you can start with A or you can start with D. So let's start with A. Angle A. Now vertex should be in the middle and your vertex is B. So therefore you should write B. Angle ABD. Angle ABD. Or you can write it as angle DBA. Angle DBA. As you can see, B is your vertex. In both the ways, B lies here in the middle. So students, similarly in question number B, you can see there are the two lines VY and WX, they have been intersected at point U. Now you are supposed to name this marked angle. You have to name this angle. So before naming this angle, first of all you must know whether which two arms have made this angle. So students, as you can see clearly, the marked angle is this, and this angle has been formed with the help of arm VU and arm WU. As you can see, so students, you can see this is your angle, and with the help of VU and W, this angle has been formed. So students, for your easiness, you can hide this portion. Now students, as you can see, VU and WU are the two arms which have been making this angle. So let's write name. So as you can see, U is your vertex, so you have to start from B. At first you have to show symbol of angle B. As your U is your vertex, you have to write U in the middle and W at last. Angle VUW. In another way, you can write WUB. Angle WUB. Angle WUB. So I hope you have understood it very well. So students, I would like to give you some questions as your homework. So please complete these questions at your home. So students, here I have provided you 3 questions. Please complete these homeworks at your home. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.